Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the always on display on the VIVO X300. So always on display is a feature where when your phone is turned off, it's still going to show you like a little screen with some information, maybe like time or the date, while the screen is turned off. Basically, on most of the phones, it just lowers the refresh rate of the screen to about 1 Hz, so it doesn't really use up as much battery because the screen isn't refreshing 60 or 120 times a second, just 1. So that means it consumes a lot less battery, so that's why it's called an always on display. So if you want to enable this option, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. Then we're going to scroll down to home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then we're going to tap on always on display. So here I'm going to agree and then press always on display toggle to actually enable the option. So you can either do partial always on display, which makes of the screen black, so less pixels are on at the same time, or you could do a full screen always on display, which just dims the lock screen wallpaper, and it's going to look like the lock screen wallpaper is just always on. So I'm going to do partial because that consumes less battery, and you can also customize what the partial always on display or normal always on display looks like. So we can do some templates, so like something like planetary, some other things. You have a whole bunch of options that you can play around with, so some that might not even display time. So I think I'm going to select something like this. I think that looks pretty cool. And then once I'm done, I'm going to press the checkmark icon on the top right. And once it's done, I can just exit out, turn my phone off, and the always on display will pop up, as you can see. So if you want to turn the phone back on, just press the button again. But if you just tap the screen once it's turned off, so let's just see. Let's just wait for the always on display to turn off, and if you just tap on it, it's going to wake up again. And that's how the always on display works. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.